We got Justin. Alin? Kalin. .047 for Justin Christian in his first lap.
Yeah, like it was going when I arrived. Yeah, the con was
Alright, got a lot of others here there. Going in too hot. Slightly slower in the second lap for Justin at 38.2. Let's see how he does in his third lap. We need more street cars on the class, please. Street cars going on Super Street. Please line up your cars, Super Street. Super Street, please line up your cars. .141, his fastest is 38.047.